Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Miss Silver here, and today I'm bringing you a smoky look, something that I hardly ever do, but today I just felt like doing something different. So here it is, and let's get started. So as you guys know, I do always work with tape just because it gives me more of that boldness, and I always like to apply it at an angle. And for this look, what I'm gonna do is apply some of the translucent powder underneath my eyes and around the tape, just because when you work with dark colors you get a lot of fallouts, and because I already have my foundation on, I want to prevent, all the messiness, so translucent powder always helps. Start by setting my eyelid with this super cute blender from Spongeologie, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of powder and just set the eyelid for the translucent color. I'm going to start with my first transition color, and it's going to be an orange, which just gives it an extra glam to the smoky looks. So I'm going to begin and start applying this transition color from the outer corner of the eye into the inner corner of the eye in round motions. Also, I do want to point out that this color, I'm also going to be using it to cover all of my lid. It is my transition color, but it's also going to be the first color or the first layer that I'm going to be applying on the eye to create this smoky look. You never want to go directly into the black or a dark color. You want to build up the color slowly, and my first base is a transition color. I'm going to go in with the single shadow from Bebella Cosmetics in Glitter Kisses, which is so cute because it's kind of like a brown with glitter. And I'm going to start applying that over the orange on the center of my eye. And of course, I'm applying evenly. And at the same time, once the color is already on, I'm going to blend it just a little bit to combine it with the orange. My brown set, I'm gonna go in and start applying the black eyeshadow. For this look, I am using the Urban Decay black eyeshadow in the name Blackout. Eyeshadow is done. I'm gonna move into my eyelashes, and I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. Mine are kind of straight, so I always like to curl them. And I'm going to apply these gorgeous eyelashes from the line that I just released in MsSilver. And I'm gonna drop a picture real quick so you guys can see the quality of these amazing eyelashes that I just launched. They are super soft, cotton strip, lightweight, vegan, eco-friendly, and these eyelashes can be worn up to 40 times with proper care. Okay, now going back to the makeup tutorial. So these eyelashes, I mean, they're just the best, not just because I released them, but they're honestly super comfortable, super cute, super flattering. I mean, I love them. But anyways, for this look, I don't apply any liquid eyeliner. You can if you want to, but I just feel like both colors blend in, so there's really no point. So once I apply my lashes, I go ahead and remove my tape, and boom, I get the boldness that I'm looking for. I just love using tape. Now going back to my spongy from Spongeologie, I am going to start just dabbing my powder away from my face. At the same time, I am going to be compressing just a little bit, just because I didn't get that many fallouts on the powder, which still left it a little bit clean. And I'm just going to dab around my face a little bit, the leftover powder, and get a nice mattifying look. Once that's done, I'm going to move to the bottom portion of my eye and apply a little bit of that orange translucent color that I used on the top of the eye. I'm going to apply it a little bit on the bottom, and I'm going to continue with some black eyeliner and some mascara. That's done, I'm gonna do a little bit of powder contour and a little bit of baking. Once my baking is setting, I'm gonna go ahead and just do other little things on my face, then come back to my baking, dust it off, and I'll be all set. Right, and that's that for this tutorial. I'm gonna leave some pictures here. Of course, I did end up changing my lip color just because I wanted something a little bit more intense. So I went with this lippy from Too Faced, which I adore. The details on the lipstick are on my Instagram page, so make sure you guys go and comment. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys again on the next video.